Our planet is full of amazing animals, but some are on the edge of extinction. Number 10. Tapanuli Orangutan. Deep within the dense forests of Sumatra, the Tapanuli Orangutan crafts its nest high in the trees. With only 800 individuals remaining, this great ape is one of the newest and rarest species ever discovered. Despite its isolation, the Tapanuli orangutan faces grave threats from deforestation and human encroachment, and its future hangs in the balance. Number 9. Devils Hole Pupfish. In the isolated depths of a single pool in Death Valley National Park, the Devils Hole Pupfish survives. With just 175 individuals left, this tiny fish is one of the rarest species on Earth. It has adapted to one of the harshest environments imaginable, extreme heat and low oxygen levels, fighting for survival in a world that is rapidly changing around it. Number 8. The Amur Leopard. In the dense forests of the Russian Far East, the Amur Leopard prowls with its striking spotted coat. With fewer than 85 individuals remaining, it is one of the most endangered big cats on the planet. But thanks to dedicated conservation efforts, this elusive predator's numbers are slowly rising. Yet its survival still depends on the protection of its forest home, where threats from poaching and habitat loss remain ever present. Number 7. The Saola. Known as the Asian unicorn, the Saola is a creature shrouded in mystery. With fewer than 100 remaining, this rare antelope is rarely seen and even harder to protect. Hidden deep in the forests of Southeast Asia, it's one of the world's most elusive animals, and its survival depends on preserving the wilderness it calls home, an environment that is rapidly disappearing. Number 6. Cross River Gorilla. In the dense, remote forests along the border of Nigeria and Cameroon, the Cross River gorilla quietly roams. With only 200 to 300 individuals left, this critically endangered species is one of the rarest gorillas on Earth. Their sanctuary, however, is under constant threat from human encroachment and illegal hunting. As the forests shrink, the gorilla's future grows ever more uncertain. Number 5. The Hainan Gibbon. High in the treetops of China's Hainan Island, a haunting call echoes, the call of the Hainan Gibbon. With fewer than 30 left, it is the rarest primate in the world. These agile apes face grave threats from deforestation and the loss of their fragmented forest home. Every day is a struggle for survival, as this species clings to existence on the brink of extinction. Number 4. The Javan Rhino. In the remote wilderness of Indonesia's Ujung Kulon National Park, a hidden treasure survives, the Javan Rhino. With only about 70 individuals left, it is one of the rarest animals on the planet. Shielded by their isolated habitat, they face constant threats from habitat loss and natural disasters. Despite the protection of this sanctuary, their future remains uncertain, a delicate balance between survival and extinction. Number 3. Sumatran Rhino. Deep within the rainforests of Sumatra, a rare and ancient creature moves silently. The elusive Sumatran Rhino. With fewer than 40 remaining, this small, hairy rhino is one of the most endangered species on Earth. Their forest home is disappearing due to deforestation, and they are hunted by poachers for their horns. Each day, their struggle for survival grows harder as time runs out for this remarkable species. Number 2. Northern White Rhinos. On the vast plains of Kenya's Ol Pejeta Conservancy, 2 majestic figures graze in quiet solitude, the last northern white rhinos on Earth. These 2 females, the final survivors of their kind, are guarded day and night by armed protectors. Their existence is a powerful reminder of humanity's impact on the natural world. With no males left, their survival is a race against time, and their fate rests entirely in our hands. Number 1. The vaquita. In the calm blue waters of the northern Gulf of California, a tiny porpoise fights to survive, the vaquita. With fewer than 10 left in the world, It is the rarest marine mammal on Earth. These gentle creatures face a silent extinction, caught in fishing nets meant for other species. Their numbers have dropped so low that each one is precious, a fragile reminder of the beauty we stand to lose. Each of these animals reminds us of the fragile balance of life on Earth. Their stories are about survival against all odds, but they also urge us to take action. The time to protect them is now, for their future and ours.